Good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to look at how we can solve the simultaneous equations shown. So the question simply says solve the simultaneous equations. Then we have x plus y equals 2 and then 4y squared minus x squared equals 11. So if we are to solve this one, we'll use substitution. So let me say we have equation 1 and equation 2. Then let me pick equation 1, x plus 1 equals 2. Then we change the subject. We can change to either x or y. So let me change to y. If we say y is equal to 2 minus x, this one, the additive inverse of this, it will be like that. So we have a new equation. Let me call it equation 3. And then we are going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So let's say solving 2 and 3. That is, we have 4y squared minus x squared equals 11. And then if we substitute where there is y, we are going to put 2 minus x. So we'll say 4 here, 2 minus x, and it has to be squared, minus x squared equals 11. Then we expand here. We'll have 4, that is, you square this one, it is 4. Then 2 times negative x is negative 2x times 2, that's negative 4x. And then negative x squared will simply be positive x squared minus x squared is equal to 11. Then we expand again. This gives us 16 minus 16x plus 4x squared minus x squared equals 11. If we simplify this one and that one gives us 3x squared, then minus 16, 16x, and then we have 16 here plus 16. Then this one will become negative here equals 0. That is 3x squared minus 16x, 16 minus 11 is simplified. So plus 5 equals 0. So at this stage, we can factorize. Let's just check if they are factors. So the product, this and that, gives us 15 positive, and then the sum is negative 16. So that means the factors we can use is 1 times 15, and these should be negatives. So we solve it. We say 3x squared minus x, and then minus 15x, then plus 5 equals 0. Here we have x as common, then we'll have 3x minus 1. This side we have 5, negative 5, giving us 3x minus 1 equals 0. That gives us 3x minus 1, and then x minus 5 equals 0. Then we apply the non-factor law. So the zeros for this one. Here, if we equate it to 0, that gives us the 3x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. And from here we are getting x equals 1 over 3, and then x equals the positive 5. Then we can now pick this one. We have gotten the x values. We need to also get the y values. So if we pick it from here, we can say y is equal to 2 minus x And then when x is equal to 1 over 3, y will be equal to, then put 1 over 3 there. So the common denominator is simply 3, and then that is 1 into 3, that's 3 times that, 6 minus, that's 1. So that simply gives us 5 over 3. And then if we substitute in the same one, if we substitute 5, that gives us the 2 minus x, where x is 5, y will simply be equal to -3. And therefore, x is simply equal to, we have 1 over 3. We also have 5, and then y, we have 5 over 3, and the other value is -3. So these are the 4 answers for this question. Thank you for watching.